how to create ETSY shop. So if you want to create an account on ETSY shop, then first of all, open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go for the search bar and search for ETSY. And here you will have ETSY account, right? Like this www.etsy.com on the first search. Click on that. And now you can simply go for sign in here, which is on the upper right. And then to create your account, you can go for register, which is here. Click on register, and then you have to enter your email address on the first blank. Simply enter your email address and then your first name here and then your password. So make sure to enter a strong password. And after entering that, you can simply click on register. Or if you don't want to enter your email address, then you can simply continue with your Google, Facebook, or your Apple ID. But if you have used your email address, then simply click on register. And that's it. That's how you create an account on ETSY. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.